Bluey woke up feeling excited. A mysterious balloon floated outside the window. Could it be leading her to something amazing? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "Bluey, should we follow it?" Bluey's eyes sparkled. "Absolutely, let's go." Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom smiled softly. Bluey nodded determinedly. They stepped into the backyard. The balloon bobbed gently in the breeze. Bluey's tail twitched. Could this be the start of a magical journey? Suddenly, the balloon dipped toward the flowers. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it be a clue?" They ran carefully. Over the grass. Around the fountain. The balloon glowed softly. Bluey's excitement grew. Could they reach it before it disappears? Dad and Mom watched proudly. Bluey noticed a hidden path behind the bushes. She whispered, "This must be it." The balloon hovered above a sparkling puddle. Bluey stepped closer. Her reflection shimmered in the water. Bingo giggled. Could magic really exist here? Suddenly, the balloon popped gently. Out came a tiny creature with glowing wings. Bluey gasped. Bingo clapped her paws. Could this be a fairy friend? The creature chirped softly, leading them to a secret garden. Flowers glimmered in rainbow colors. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this alive? They explored carefully, jumping over tiny rocks, chasing butterflies, laughing in the sun. Bluey's heart felt full of wonder. As the sun began to set, they returned home. The backyard looked ordinary again. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible day." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical adventure." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?"